In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on a Honda Accord. If you need any parts, check us out at oneauto.com. The location of the oil pressure switch is down along the passenger side rear of the engine. The first thing you want to do is reach down in here and grab onto the wiring harness for it. We'll give that a little wiggle and it should slide right off. Give it a quick inspection for corrosion and set it aside. Now we'll continue on with a 24mm socket. We're going to unscrew this from the engine. Make sure you have a collection bucket under the area in case any oil comes out. There we are. Once you have it loose, you should be able to unscrew that from the engine. There it is, friends. Let's clean and inspect the hole down here. Just want to wipe it down, make sure there's no debris. Now we can prepare our brand new oil pressure switch for installation. You want to make sure you use a little bit of thread sealant in this area, but be extremely careful not to get it into the lower port. Spread that around. Double check to make sure it's not on the bottom where it shouldn't be. And now we can install this in the engine. Start it in by hand, snug it up, and torque it to 13 foot-pounds. Reconnect your wiring harness. Press that in, listen for a click, give it a tug. This feels good. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and clean down the area. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start up the vehicle, let it run for a little while, make sure you don't have an oil leak. Okay friend, the car's back together. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you can be kept up with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.